Hello there, I've just watched Picking Principles do a short video on a cabinet lock that he had, and it reminded me that I'd got one that other than mine being chrome, looks exactly the same. It's got the same screw hole in the back for fixing. It's got the same locking tang there. Keyway, I couldn't quite catch it because he was quite quick with it. Keyway looks similar, but again, small keyway. Mine does have a key. It's branded Holger, I think that says. It's just a little 4-pin lock. On the back, it's got the same PVRCK that is on the front of the lock. Anyway, so I just thought it'd be a nice little tie-in to hopefully pick this lock on camera at the same time. So let's see how we're going with it. I pointed out to him in the comments that mine picks both clockwise and anti-clockwise, and there's a fair bit of movement on that core already. Okay, and just going in. Just got 1 pin set. 2, 3, and there we go. That's that opened. I'll just turn that so that you can see the little locking mechanism opening and closing. Don't think I have to pick pin 3 on this, and let's just see if we can do it the opposite way around. Okay, much tougher this way. Well, I obviously had something overset there, so there you go. Picked anti-clockwise as well. Don't really know what's going on with this. I wouldn't have thought it should be have any security pins in it whatsoever, but definitely on setting pin 1, you've got that slight movement in the core to start with, but definitely on setting pin 1. There's a slight little bit of counter rotation. Anyway, that's my shout out to Picking Principles, just picking my cabinet lock. Thanks for watching.